Well, if we're closing on things that aren't really real, I'll do this one. Was a little hack project I had the other week because I was making dinner and I had to ask a question and I didn't feel like getting my laptop. So what I wanted to do was say, "Hi, Blobby.
Hey, data assistant. What would you like to know?
Ask how much revenue I made last week." I'm so sorry to engineers who have to demo all the time.
00039291382.
So it's a very poor Alexa app. I could keep asking follow-up questions. Like I almost feel bad calling it Blobby because it's so much worse than our actual Blobby. Partially just to we don't expose some of their like chat and summary endpoints. But like we're using the AI, not the MCP. But yeah, you can ask Alexa a question and it'll go ask Blobby.
Sure.
Yeah. So.
Love it.